In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google My Map using Google Drive. Whether you're planning a road trip, mapping out a hiking route, or simply organizing your favorite local spots, Google My Maps can be a powerful and versatile tool. Let's dive right into it and keep things simple and straightforward. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already there, open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com. Once you've reached the homepage of Google Drive and you're logged in with your account, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Google Drive is the central hub for all your Google documents, spreadsheets, slides, and a variety of other files. Today, we're focusing on the map creation feature. Now draw your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and look for the New button. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. This menu contains options to create various types of documents. Navigate to the More option. This is where you'll discover additional tools that Google Drive offers beyond the basic Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Once you've clicked on More, you'll see an option labeled Google My Maps. Select that and you'll be whisked away to a new tab specifically designed for map creation. Google My Maps is a simple yet effective way to build customized maps where you can add points of interest, directions, and personalize with layers and icons. After selecting Google My Maps, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. It's pretty straightforward. Just click on the Create button in this window. At this point, you've initiated the creation of a new map, and from here, you're able to name your map, add markers, lines, and layers to structure the map according to your needs. And just like that, you're all set up. You've successfully created a Google My Map through Google Drive, and now the fun part begins, customizing, sharing, and utilizing it for your purposes. The beauty of Google My Maps is that it is both collaborative and easy to share with others, making it a fantastic tool for group projects or travel planning with friends and family. If you're new to Google My Maps, take some time to explore the various functionalities available, such as adding descriptions, color coding, and importing locations from spreadsheets. If you ever need to access this map again, it will be stored in your Google Drive with all your other files, making it convenient to revisit and update as needed. That wraps up our guide for today. Hope this walkthrough has been helpful, and take care as you navigate your next adventure with Google My Maps.